Ryan's back, and Monday morning, raining. If you don't have to go to work, roll over, go back to sleep if you can. But I do want to issue kind of a little bit of a warning because I was driving in. There is a lot of pooling on the road, so really be careful because the risk of hydroplaning. I felt my car kind of lift up a couple times. So.
Great point. Yeah, these are downpours coming through, so there can be big puddles and ponding of water on the roads. And we still have some downpours out there now, Tori, even though the day as a whole actually won't turn out to be that bad. Here's the radar picture right now. You can see much of the middle of the state getting into these showers and downpours. In other places, there isn't much happening. Coastal York County up into Portland, the mid-coast around Brunswick and Bath, headed toward Booth Bay. There isn't much falling, but there are some downpours. Northern York County working toward Hollis, approaching Gorham and Windham right now, and it is pouring in the Lewiston Auburn area. Look at Poland, Turner, Paris. These yellows here are some heavy downpours that are working through. Rain just starting to work into Bangor right now, coming up the mouth of the river from Bucksport, and we do have some downpours, Carmel, Dover, Foxcroft, up to Lincoln as well at this point. Temperatures are in the lower 60s for most of us. Freiburg, though, down to 58. Dew points at the coastline are in the low 60s. For the rest of us, though, it's not all that humid despite the rain that's out there right now. And this system coming through actually has more of a fall look to it on the map in that there's some dry air wrapping around it. So that actually bodes well for us today. I think we'll see some sun developing later this morning despite the rain that's out there now. So still pretty wet at 6 o'clock, showers and downpours out there. 9 o'clock, we start to clear things out over southern and western Maine. Still cloudy, damp, and dreary to the east and north. And by noon, I think more of us see some breaks of sun. But any sun we do see may trigger an additional pop-up shower or thunderstorm around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then after that, dry air moves in everywhere. This evening will be really nice, and the humidity will be pretty low too. So it looks like a good night maybe to do some grilling despite the wet start we have out there now. Where we see the most sunshine over southern Maine, that's where we get into the upper 70s. Naples 76, 77 in Windham, 75 in Lewiston, and 76 in Portland. Not as much sun in eastern Maine, so highs here only in the lower 70s this afternoon. Tonight it's comfy, it's clear. Lows tonight will be in the 50s, and then that sets us up for a great day tomorrow. One of the best looking days in a while with high temperatures approaching 80 degrees. We'll have a mix of sunshine and some high thin clouds, but overall tomorrow looks like a really nice day. Decent weather continues into Wednesday as well. There will be some more cloud cover moving in on Wednesday, so we'll call it partly sunny. And then for the end of the week, there will be this front offshore. Right now, I think it's far enough to our south on Thursday that we just see some clouds out of it. But some of these showers likely work up either late Thursday or Friday. So that's the next best chance for any rain. But before then, we get a few good days. Searching for summer, well, there are some signs. Real summer weather may make an appearance. Haven't seen something like this on the map in quite a while. This weekend into early next week could have several days in the 80s. We'll see how that works out. About a week away, but something that looks pretty clear this far out. Seas around 2 to 3 feet today with a westerly wind coming in 5 to 10 knots. So showers, some sunshine, highs in the lower to mid 70s today. Tomorrow looks great, sunny, thin clouds up around 80. Few more clouds on Wednesday, but still a good looking day. Increasing clouds Thursday, a chance for showers on Friday. And look at the weekend, warmer, a bit more humid, a mix of sunshine and clouds with highs in the lower to mid 80s. And as I mentioned, Tori, beyond the weekend, we may keep that going and even inch the temps up more early next week.
You know, I would happily welcome back 80s.
Same here.
I mean, really, truly, we need it. I went for a swim in the lake yesterday. The air was so cold, I didn't want to get out. I mean, the water feels nice.
Well, and if we don't get any warm weather, the lakes will start cooling down
this
month.
Yeah.
So.
All right, come on, 80s.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Ryan.